Hello NYM fams.
Today's video we are going to make some DIY slime.
So first up we got glue, clear glue,
And a bowl and spoon.
We got activator,
And also some food coloring.
Okay, first up we dump the glue.
Okay, let's dump some in.
The whole thing. Okay.
Well, until it's full or something.
Until it's empty, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so satisfying.
It's so satisfying.
I know.
Oh, I love that noise. It made a big bubble. Oh man, it popped.
Because it could stay. It's like a waterfall.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Guys, this is so cool.
Okay, I'm trying to like stop the dripping. Okay, I'm done with mine. It's empty. Is it empty? Yeah, it is.
Nope, a little more. See? I don't want it to smell so no.
Just use this to, yeah.
Which color should we use?
Let's open it up.
Wait, I can open it.
I think I'm gonna mix mine a little bit, just so it can get a little bit. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe I'll mix it mine too. Should we mix it? So why are you mixing it?
I don't know. Let's just do it.
Okay. I can do.
Okay.
Okay.
So what? I want to get purple for mine.
Navy blue. Like the other video when we do the lava lamp. Oh.
I'm looking for
Did I
my
get
color.
2 drops? Maybe 2 drops, right?
Okay, wait for me. Okay, I got green purple.
I want to do a diamond.
I can't open mine. I need some help opening mine.
Just why? You're not fine. You know what? You can open it. Here. No. No. No.
1K subscribers and there'll be a face reveal.
1K. Not 1K. Oh yeah, 1K. Yeah. 1K subscribers. Do 1K subscribers so we can do a face
So
reveal.
like
To
this?
my mom. She's recording right now.
Okay.
Okay, now let's mix.
Hold
Do
up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Do 8.
Oh. Okay.
It's okay.
I think that's
It's
good.
good. And 8. Okay.
Okay.
I said 8.
I know.
It's
Okay,
fine.
3, 2, 1. Let's
Mix.
mix. Oh, that looks so cool. What about yours? It looks so cool too.
Maybe do a spiral, guys. Oh my god.
This looks so cool. It looks like a purple portal.
Mine looks like a blue portal. Like in Minecraft when you do those hacks. One hack might be like the portal hack. One portal hack.
I can smell the glue.
This glue smells so bad and so good for some reason.
I know, right?
Should we stop mixing? Nah, stop.
No, we need to continue until like it's like fully purple or blue.
Tell us when to stop. Oh, should we fast forward it? No. Oh my god. What?
Whoa, look at mine. I think it's fully
Look
purple.
at this, guys.
Yeah, mine is fully purple. I think mine is done. But I like how it would drip. Yeah.
It's like
Here.
going. The drips look like it's going up. But
I
it's
just spelled my name, but you still can't see it. What? That? Look, you know how you can do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've spelled my name.
Let me spell my name.
Okay.
Let me do it in cursive. Okay.
Okay, are you done with your mixing? I am.
Nope. Not me. I want to do it more than you, so it can look better.
It can't look better. It's like if it's fully colored, then that means it's done. And yours looks fully colored. So
And we're done. Next up, activator. Let's open the activator. I think we're almost done.
I think three
Now
drops
we
is
should
enough.
mix it.
Wait for me.
set, go. Oh my god, when is it gonna be slimy? It's not even slimy.
Oh my gosh, you have to be patient. You have to mix it really well.
I know.
But
It
just
could
mix it.
spill, so why is she doing it that fast? I was like, this. Let me do it like that. That's
I think I need a little bit more activator. It's getting slimy, but it's not too like. Okay, I think that's. I'm gonna continue.
it's kind of slimy, but not that slimy yet.
Put like a little, like 3 or 2 drops.
Just 2 drops.
1, 2. Yours is kind of getting kind of slimy.
I know it's getting really slimy. I'm kind of excited how it ends.
Yeah. It's gonna get super slimy.
That's not mixing.
But that's how I was doing it, Mom. It's getting kind of slimy, Mama.
Let me check. I feel like I need more
I need
activator
more.
again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit
Oh
more.
my god. Do you think we should touch it yet?
No, I think when it gets like really slimy, we should.
Put a little more, Nathan.
2 drops or 3 maybe. Or
3.
actually 3, yeah.
Don't
Yeah,
put big
I
one,
put
but
2
small
drops right now. Before I did 3.
one. One
Yes,
more.
It's
One
getting
more.
a lot more slimy.
4?
I'm gonna
One
mix
more.
a lot more.
That's it.
Let's see how slimy. Can I do it like this?
Look how slimy it's getting. But I don't think I should do that, or else it might get like more less slimy.
It's getting kind of slimy. Whenever I do that, I check. So, is that slime? Oh man. I better be careful. It's kind of getting over. I should be.
I feel like I need more activator. It should be like a little bit more sticky.
Should we do like 5 now? Maybe 5. Should we do 5?
I don't know. I did 3. Like I did
think
a
we
lot.
need more glue. Oh
No,
I
there's
forgot
like normal.
I know.
normal.
I just forgot.
And
there's
it'll
no-
make it. It'll make it like a less slimy because there's like more glue and less.
I know.
activator. Okay. It's been a while. It's getting a lot more slimier. Like a lot.
I want to check. Oh my god, it's way more slimy.
Mine won't even get up because I think it's turning to slime. I can't wait to put our hands into it.
Oh my god. No, where's the napkin?
It's fine.
Okay, guys, my mom won't give me a napkin, but there's no face reveal. I'm gonna get out the seat so you guys don't see my mom. You can
I'll mix it for you.
And she can mix it. Oh my god, slime! I don't want it to be on my hands.
Wait, can I give you some? It got a little bit. Spilled a little bit while I was mixing it.
Is this slime now?
Okay.
Yeah, this is definitely slime, right?
Definitely, but I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. Good. Mine is getting so much more slimier. I'm mixing it so fast.
Oh my god! Why is it taking again?
It's fine if it touches your hand.
Yeah, but it's gonna get dry, so you know.
There's so much slime everywhere.
Don't worry, don't. It's kind of like slime.
I don't-
A little activator. Okay, I'll put a little bit of activator because there's already like a lot in there.
This slime smells so bad.
I know, right? I can smell the food coloring.
How much? 2 drops? I think.
Oh, I feel some of this. I accidentally felt some
I
of
think
this.
3 maybe. Oh, that's more than 3 on accident.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so sticky now.
I know. I accidentally touched some of it.
It's
and
kind of
then-
hard now. Now I'm not gonna mix it that way. Let me do it kind of hard. Perfect.
Mix. Ooh, it's getting a lot more sticky. It's getting a lot more
Is it?
sticky.
I think we
more
can pick it up right
stretchy.
now, right? Let me check.
Mix it like a little bit more.
Oh, I guess we can't pick it up
Oh
yet.
no, mine spilled. It keeps on spilling.
Oh man, I'm spilling a lot on my
I need
hands.
a napkin. Where's the napkin?
Oh, the napkin fell. Oh my god.
It's so sticky.
I guess we need to.
Mine is going. It's everywhere.
Oh my god, we have so much activator in here.
I know, right?
I thought it would be like so sticky and stuff. And it's kind of getting like slime, right, guys? Yeah, maybe.
Mine
Oh
is
my
too
God.
sticky.
Oh my god, it's kind of like. Oh, it's my time, but I can take it off before the slime gets back.
Do you think when do you think you'll hit 1,000 subscribers?
Maybe like in a month.
In a month? That's
Come on,
way
guys, subscribe so we can. Okay, you guys have to subscribe under my birthday. It's gonna be March 9. Okay, before my birthday, you guys have to make me hit 1K subscribers, and then after 3 of my birthdays, you have to take me to reach 100K. So try to do that.
Imagine.
Oh my God, it's so
Not that.
slimy.
Hey,
I never knew that.
imagine you hit 100,000 or like 1 million, but like
Under
before your
a
birthday.
day.
No,
I mean,
before not under
yeah.
your day, like before your birthday.
Yeah.
Which is like, and 1 million is a lot. It goes to 1,000, 100.
Then I'll get a 1 million subscriber play button.
Mine is ending up really well.
What?
It's getting less sticky and like more slimy. And I need to get everything that's off. It's slime.
Mix it.
Mine worked
Mix it
out.
very well.
I'm gonna get all the slime on the table.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I want to make a bubble. Let's make a bubble. So first, you have to like make it flat like this. Okay, let's see. Oh, I made a bubble! This is so cool. Stop. ASMR. Okay, nice. It's okay. You just have to do like this. So like that.
My hands are already slimy.
Really?
What else?
Like keep going up, like that.
It's like
And
a
then-
cloud.
Then get the top of it. Do that.
Oh,
You're. Ooh, I made a bubble. You can try doing that. So like. Really? Wait, let me test out your slime. Wait. You have to make it even bigger than that. Wait, let me test out your slime. Don't
Wait,
mix
what if we mix it?
Nah, I don't want to do that because like I want to keep my slime.
Okay, let me get my. Okay.
Okay.
Mine is too big for this.
I think mine too.
Oh,
Wait,
a fart
I
sound.
think I farted.
I think I farted too.
Oh.
I farted.
Wait, give me that. Let me help you.
I farted. Oh my God.
Let me help you.
You're not going to help me. How did you fit this so well?
Wait, pop it. Oh, that's okay.
Mr. Beast.
I think your container's is too small. Wait, take it out.
Let me open yours.
Let me try.
I have a bubble. Don't destroy the bubble. Oh,
Oh,
man,
it's too late. Wait. This has to stay. Then do.
See, she
Oh,
did a bubble.
it kind of stayed for a little while. Let's do it like that. Oh no, the
no.
container. It's ASMR. We should do an ASMR video about this.
ASMR, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like those story playtimes? I don't
Yeah.
really like those.
Not the story playtime, just ASMR. That's it.
Oh,
Oh. There's no more parts.
okay, guys. Let's add some glitter.
Glitter. So
Okay.
open it. It's kind of hard to open.
Oh,
There
a
we go.
little too much.
Oh, I don't want to add too much.
We had a lot on this one because that's like super thick.
I don't want glitter to get all over my hands when I'm playing with this, so I want to put like a little bit. Okay, start mixing. And it'll be so. Give it some time. Actually, let's add some while we're mixing.
I hope it works out. No.
Yours looks so cool. I'm still mixing. Give me a second. see mine too. It's getting on my hands too. Wait. Look at the glitter. It looks so cool. Okay. Imagine people want to collab with you, Nata.
What?
Imagine.
I need more slime activator.
Slime activator?
Yeah,
Well, it's already been made.
Yeah, I'm just joking. Actually,
Wait, would it work if I added more paint? Nah.
Wait, mine is like I added too much activator. So what if I use more glue?
There's no more glue.
What do you mean? There's like that much. So I can.
Yeah, but it's gonna make it super sticky, and it's not gonna be slime anymore.
Oh my god, it just ripped.
Mine is super stretchy.
You hear that noise? Oh, you hear that? Oh, that's so cool. How are you doing that?
You don't have to do it like that.
I do want to do it though.
Oh, look at mine. It looks like what are those called? Pretzels, but it's like it doesn't look like it, but like it does. To
Oh
me.
my god. What if we rip some apart?
No, then that means it's gonna get even less. It's gonna get even less.
Wait, where's my
stretchy.
container? Oh, there's my
Right there.
container.
Okay, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Before my birthday happens, you guys have to subscribe 100K so I can get my play buttons at March 9. Bye bye.